Sarura Kids.
Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Zimbabwean fun quiz brought to you by Sarura Kids. Today's quiz consists of 12 questions. You will have 10 seconds in which to guess your answer per question. Let's go! First question. Who am I? I am a woman. I was born around 1840. I was born in present-day Chishawasha district of Mashonaland Central in Zimbabwe. My father's name was Chitaura. My father was the younger son of Shaya Chingwe. Shaya Chingwe founded the Wata dynasty in the Upper Mazoe Valley in the late 18th century. I was married and I had 2 daughters and a son. I played a pivotal role in the first Chimurenga uprising in Zimbabwe. It is believed that at the age of about 44, I was possessed by the Mondoro, or ancestral spirit of the oracle Nehanda. My name is Charwe Nyakaskana, and I was the spirit medium, or Shikiro, of the oracle Nehanda. Question 2. Which of these is the national sport of Zimbabwe? Is it martial arts or is it football? The answer is football. Football is the most popular sport in Zimbabwe. Question 3. In Bulawayo, what statue can be seen from the intersection of 8th Avenue and a street of the same name? Is it A. Skhanyiso Ndlovu, B. Norman Zikali, or C. Joshua Nkomo? The answer is C. Joshua Nkomo. Joshua Nkomo was the Vice President of Zimbabwe between 1990 and 1999. Question 4. What am I? I am a food that is eaten by many people in Zimbabwe. I am made by using ground-up maize, millet, or sorghum. People sometimes add milk or peanut butter to the finished preparation. I am usually eaten with an accompaniment like leafy greens, lacto, or meat. The answer is Saza. Saza is the staple food of Zimbabwe. Question 5. Which of these Zimbabwean places is not a city? Is it A. Harare, B. Shurugwi, or C. Bulawayo? The answer is B. Shurugwi. Shurugwi has a population of about 22,000 people, and it is in the Midlands province of Zimbabwe. It is roughly 220 miles from Harare, and it lies in well-wooded, hilly and picturesque countryside. Question 6. Fill in the missing words from this advert, which was performed by the Rusike brothers in 1991. Eat, give yourself a treat. Is the whitest, it's good to eat. If you guessed Ngwerewere Saza or Ngwerewere, that would be correct. Question 7. Where can you find a road lined with Washingtonia palm trees in Harare? Is it A, Leopold Takawira Street, B, Kaguvi Street, or C, Julius Nyerere Way? The answer is C, Julius Nyerere Way. The Washingtonia robusta palm trees can be found on Julius Nyerere Way in Harare. 50 palm trees can be found in the 2-block stretch between Nelson Mandela Avenue and Samora Machel Avenue, but it is believed that as many as 70 trees may have been planted originally. The Washingtonia robusta is actually a Mexican palm from Baja, California and Sonora, and it can reach heights of 25 meters or more. Question 8. What is a person from Zimbabwe called? Are they A Zimbian, B, a Zimbabwean, or C, a Zimbabwean? The answer is B, a Zimbabwean. Question 9. What am I? I am a bird. I have 3 stomachs. I can sprint at over 70 kilometers an hour. I make my nest for my eggs by digging holes in the sand. You will sometimes see me stick my head in the sand to turn my eggs. The answer is Ostrich. Question 10. Look at the maps of these countries. Which of these maps shows the country of Zimbabwe? Is it A, B, or C? The answer is B. Question 11. Changamiredombo is believed to have established which notable Zimbabwean empire in 1684? Is it A, the Roji, B, Mutapa, or C, Zimbabwe? If you said A, the Roji Empire, you would be correct. The Roji Empire consisted several Shona states that dominated what is now present-day Zimbabwe. It existed between 1684 and 1866. Changamiredombo was originally a herdsman in the Mutapa state, but he still managed to drive away the Portuguese who tried to colonize them. He earned great respect for this, and this allowed him to break away from the Mutapa Empire. The title Changamire then became a title of honor given to all the kings who followed after him. Question 12. Is this true or false? After the kingdom of Mapungubwe collapsed, it is believed that some people migrated to the area of Masvingo and established the Zimbabwe Kingdom. This statement is true. Thank you for playing this quiz with us today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we can't wait to see how many questions you got right. See you again next time when we'll have another Zimbabwe fun fact quiz from Sarura Kids.